Hey guys, Sean from Sean's DIY and Reviews, and here's a little lawnmower tip right here. People might want to know how to change the oil in the lawnmower. So if you have a push mower, it's really pretty simple. All you have to do is just tip it and pour the oil out, and basically then determine how much oil and what kind of oil needs to go in. So definitely check your owner's manual. Some say it's okay to use synthetic, others say not to, so make sure that you're using the right oil for your mower and make sure it's at the right level too. So here's how easy it is to change the oil in your lawnmower. So make sure you take off the oil cap, tip your lawnmower over to the side, making sure that you're only tipping it over to the side where the oil barrel empties out, the oil canister where the fill part is, because if you try to tilt it the other way, oil will go through the engine and mess up your air filter. When you're done pouring out the oil, make sure you wipe everything off. Get any excess oil all the way down the lawnmower off, even on the base and anywhere else that could have dripped, because you don't want the oil there. Then you're going to take your fresh oil and you're going to fill it up. Remember, you're not filling it up to the top of the oil canister or the oil intake. You're just putting it to the level that the oil needs to be, and you'll have your dipstick here, and obviously for mine it's going to go up to this little circle right above these ridges here. So I'll put that in, put it all the way down, and I'm going to pull it out. And I'll check my oil level. If it's too high, you're just going to dump it out, just like you did when you drain the oil. If it's not high enough, you just add a little more oil in. Always make sure you have the proper container to dispose of your oil, and determine where in your neighborhood there's a oil disposal facility. I got this oil container at Harbor Freight. You can get them at Walmart or online, pretty much anywhere. Then you're going to start your mower up. You're going to run it for about, 15-30 seconds, and then you're going to test it one more time just to make sure that the oil level is still good. And again, if it's too much, pour a little bit out. If there's not enough, then you can just refill more. And off you go. Changing the oil on your mower is going to make it last way longer. So for the cost and the time, it's really worth the effort. Probably costs you 5-10 minutes worth of your time, and it's just going to make the mower run much more consistently, keep the temperatures cooler, and just do a lot of good things for your mower. So hope this was helpful. Give it a thumbs up if it was, and consider subscribing to the channel. On this channel we do DIY around the house type of projects and electronics reviews. Talk to you in the next one.